and welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. The topic of this presentation is building a powerful personal brand. In today's competitive world, it is essential to stand out from the crowd and make a lasting impression. One of the most effective ways to do this is by building a powerful personal brand that showcases your authenticity. Your personal brand is a reflection of who you are, what you stand for, and what sets you apart from others. In this presentation, we will explore how you can unleash your authenticity and build a personal brand that resonates with your audience. For convenience, as usual, next to the design area, we have placed the colors we will be using along with their hex codes on that particular title slide so you can practice with us. We got the image from Pexels. We will put a link below in the description to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this slide with us so you can practice with us. Of course, you can also choose any image you want that is related to the theme of the presentation and follow the steps of our design. In this title slide, we will play with the arrow shape. We go to Insert, we choose Shapes, we click in Arrow Chevron shape, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to Shape Format Size Height 11 cm or 4.33 inches if you have inches in your settings, and width 9.5 cm. Or if you have inches in your settings, it's about 3.74 inches. We put it in the desired position. And we copy it another 7 times. Right click copy, right click paste. We put it in the desired position. Click and shift a click, right click copy, right click paste. Right click paste. And right click paste. We want to cut the protruding parts of the title slide with a subtract command. We go and insert shapes, click and choose rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. Right click copy for after. Click in the arrow shape, shift click the rectangle, subtract. Right click copy, right click paste, click the arrow shape, click the rectangle shape format, subtract. Right click, paste the rectangle, click the arrow shape, click the rectangle shape format, subtract. Again, with the same way we continue for the rest of the protruding parts. Click, shift and click, shape format, subtract. Click, shift and click, shape format, subtract. Right click, paste. Click the arrow, shift and click the rectangle, shape format, subtract. Right click, paste. Click the arrow, click the rectangle shape format, subtract. Right click, paste. We rotate the rectangle and we put it in the desired position. Right click, format shape. Let's set the transparency to see if we are good. Yes. Right click, copy. Click the arrow shape, shift and click the rectangle shape format, subtract. Right click, paste, click the arrow shape, shift and click the rectangle shape format, subtract. We set the transparency at 0%, and we are good. We want to add color in the arrows. First, we will group the arrows by 2. Click, shift and click, right click, group, group. Click, shift and click, right click, group and group. Click the first arrow, click, shift and click the second arrow, right click, group and group. Click the first arrow, with shift pressed click the down arrow, right click, group and group. And now we go to click the first grouped arrows, shape format, shape fill. With eyedropper we choose the first color from the left side outside of the design area, shape outline, no outline. We go to the second grouped arrows, shape format, shape fill, eyedropper. We choose the second color from the left side outside of the design area, shape outline, no outline. We go to the third grouped arrows, shape format, shape fill, eyedropper. We choose the first color from the left side outside of the design area, shape outline, no outline. We go to the fourth grouped arrows, shape format, shape fill, eyedropper. We choose the second color from the left side outside of the design area, shape outline, no outline. And now we want to insert the picture. We go to insert picture, this device, we choose the picture, the image that we want to insert, and click insert. We put the image in the desired position and we reduce the size of the image. We go picture border wide, picture border weight 60 points, and then we go right click format picture, picture color, color saturation, we choose the third in a row. And now we want to insert the title and the presenter's name. But first we will insert a rectangle. We go to insert, shapes, we choose rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to shape format, size height 7 cm or 2.75 inches and width 23 cm, or if you have inches in your settings, 9.05 inches. We will color the rectangle, shape format, shape fill, eyedropper. We choose the third color from the left side outside of the design area, shape outline, eyedropper. We choose the fourth color from the left side outside of the design area. Right click format shape, go to line and we choose width. We add 6 points. And now we want to insert our title. We go to insert, click text box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We choose Calibri font from home ribbon, size 44. We choose color, the last color from the left side outside of the design area, and we write our title. Unleashing your authenticity, building a powerful personal brand. We go and choose bold and put it in the desired position. Now we want to add the presenter's name. We want to insert, click text box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We choose Calibri font, size 24 from home ribbon. We choose the with eyedropper, the last color from the left side outside of the design area, and we write our presenter's name, Martha G. Santos. We choose to be bold, the presenter's name, and we put it in the desired position. Now that we are done with designing the title slide, we will put the animations. Before you start with animations, you should think in which order you want them to appear. Of course, if you change your mind, you can change the order from animation pane. So, first we go to the first arrow, here, grouped arrows, We choose animation, entrance, fly in, start with previous, duration 0.75, effect options from left. We want it from left. Go to the second, grouped arrow, entrance, fly in again, start after previous, duration 0.75, effect options from left. We go to the third, grouped arrows, entrance, fly in, start after previous, duration 0.75, effect options from left again. And the last, grouped arrows, entrance, fly in, start after previous, duration 0.75, effect options from left. Then we go to the image, entrance, fly in, start after previous, duration 1, effect options from right. We want it from right. We choose the frame, the rectangle, the title and the presenter's name. Right click, group, and we choose for animation, entrance, fly in. We want them all together. Start after previous, duration 1.25, effect options from bottom. And now click the slideshow button to see the final result. Click slideshow button. And that's it. Thank you for watching us. If you want, you can press the like and the subscribe button. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!